Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading, and it's such a shame right here. This is DCIX, and the stock's pretty much in a, they call it like a flag pattern, whatever kind of pattern it is. This was an amazing rail grind right here into a long. Stock went from 10 to 26 this morning. So what that did is it created this. See that? And then you have this. And that's the noose around his neck from the hanging post right there. And then here's his limp body. Just hanging down. Right around his neck. And this is the dude. He's dead. Okay? He's sad. Crying. So I did a poll. And the poll was, what's going to happen when you trade DCIX? Now, I could have called this stock out many, many times, and we traded it through a couple of even numbers, but the risk in it is too much. So I have a choice. Here's my choice. So this is number, let me just, before I close this off, this is number 58 by Pro Trader Mike. This is the death of DCIX right here, DCIX, death. And today's 11/16 of 2017. And as a reminder, let's put this down here, AQ. XP, DRYS, SINO, SINO, SAEX, tops, this group right there. Okay, so as a room moderator, it was my responsibility not to get my traders into these stocks. And this stock's halted trading right now. The stock, I picked it at 35. It went up. Then yesterday we picked it in the room at 57 and it went to 100. I did it for one spot. The first initial buy-in, which was yesterday, happened in 5 minutes. And it happened right here. It happened from 72 to 100. And it happened here from 56 to 79. It's in 10 minutes, folks. Okay, 15 minutes. Those are the two situations that I called out all day because I just knew it was going to do a buy-in. Those are called buy-ins from the morning run and what these stocks did on a daily basis. I teach this in MOJO University. We made really good yesterday. And I shorted it up over 100 yesterday as well as calling that. But today, there's 3 things that can happen. As a room moderator, I had the choice. I said, hey, I could be choice A. I could be a hero. I could just tell everyone to buy it. And if I hit it, I'm the man. Choice B, I could do half the size and still try it. But if I do that, I'm going to miss my other ones that I'm trading. And I may do okay, 50-50 chance. Or C, I could pass, fold, don't trade it. Because the risk reward, what I look for in a stock, is way too tipped on the scale on this side. Okay? Watch. Here's the risk. Here's the reward. Huge risk. Little reward. But you say, Mike, the stocks went up so much. What do you mean little reward? I passed on being a hero. Didn't want to trade half the size because I was busy trading and making money in some other situations. And I just folded because the risk reward wasn't there. You're saying, but what do you mean? The reward was amazing. Well, here's 3 things that can happen. Number 1, if you trade DRYS, CINO, DCIX, tops, dude, I know them all well. How come? Because my engine hours of trading these stocks are immense. Okay, so DRYS or any of these stocks. Say, dude, they went up so much. Easy to trade them. 80 cents a dollar. Well, let me show you. Trade number 1, rookie. Rookie, I'm talking about the rookie trader. Okay, the guy that's still in his account blow-up mode, that has no problem blowing up his account. Here's what happened. You made money. Okay, that was your trade number 1. Then trade number 2. What do you mean trade number 2, Mike?
Well, yes.
You think you stopped after you made money? You definitely didn't.
No. No. N-O.
This one, if you made money, you got lucky. And you did trade 3 and then you lost. And you lost, you carried down low and lost all the profit here and all the profit here.
Hey, my bad. Sorry. I'd like to take a brief moment to offer my apologies.
And then you probably went negative on the day. And choice A, 90%, choice B, 10%. Tell me that you didn't do that. You're lying. 90% of you. 1 out of 10 maybe got lucky and hit the 777, but I doubt it. I would say all of you gave up the profit because there's no way you're hitting that mover so big like that so many times. Now that's personally what I think happened with that scenario. And that's what I think. Let me put up my screen share. This is a live screen share. My traders trade right over my shoulder when I'm in the room. There's a lot of other rooms out there. You know, you can have there's a lot of free rooms, a lot of them. I have a free room too. It's open 24 hours a day. It's right here. Here's the day trade room right here. We have all our traders online. I give out the picks in the room. We do chit chat. It's got a lot of nice features. It's right there. And if you want to access that room, it's open 24. I'm shutting this room down and we're all going to go to that room. And what that room is, if you go to my Twitter, let me show you. Right here. If you go to my Twitter, right here, here's the free chat. It's up at the top. Right here, 24-hour free chat room. Click this link, get that Discord app. It's amazing on your cell phone and on your computer. It's the best. And we'll chit-chat in that all day long. It's really, really nice. Okay, so let me just shrink this window here a little bit. So it's annoying me. Okay, not my head that big. There we go. So back with the room. So yeah, the other one is a really nice room. The only thing is they're not sophisticated yet. They don't have the screen share. But they don't have the picture. You can't see me and the platform at the same time like you can now. I can be right here, just chilling, got the thing right there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? SPSX, I'm up a penny on now again. But UV, I am down 3 cents on. Let's see here. Ooh. Got a new thing on web conferencing. Another company, Zoom Communications, just sent me an email, but they're paid. A lot of people have rooms out there, folks, nowadays. So that's the death, man. You know, there's no way you got out of trading DRYS without dying. There's no way. So let's go through some scenarios. A lot of other rooms and companies are notorious for shorting on the internet and on Twitter, and you see them out there. And if you see that they won, all of a sudden they're going to go long the stock. That's not true. These are their perfect, what they call pump and dump scenarios. And you went short DRYS at the top here once, in the middle here twice, and that's all you were able to do. So you have an average here of $30, and you got 2,000 shares. The stock bought you in at 120. So you lost 90 points and $180,000. Your account was only worth $30,000. You owe the firm $150,000. That's what could happen on this unlimited downside when you do a short, and you're wrong. Here's another one that you may have done. Ship. Same thing. You did a stock right here at 2, then you did it again at 4. So your average is 3, and you have 5,000 shares of this little one. And they bought you out right here at 9 for a 6 point and a $30,000 upside down loss. Your account was only worth 15 grand. So you lost 15 plus another 15 by shorting that one. And here's the next one, ECEA. This one was smaller. This one was at $1.20. So let's say you did it at $1.50 and 3. Your average is 2. And you have 5,000 shares of this one. It just went to 8. They just brought you in at 6 points, and that's $30,000 loss. Your account's only worth 10,000 bucks. Here's the next one, DCIX. You did this one at 3, 5, and 10. So your average is 7, and they bought you in at 27. That's a 20-point loss on 3,000 shares. Bought 3 times is $60,000 loss on top of the only 20 grand you had. So you lost 20 plus another 40.
Could I be more sorry?
For those people?
No! No, 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 no. No! No!
Nope. OPTT making a move to 5, long on the high side, guys. Look, right now, V-band break on the move. OPTT, they bid it up and buy the ask. It's for surely going to $5. OPTTT, I'm putting it out there now in the room, 480. There it is. Eye it right now. Eye to hind. I'll really be a buyer at 97. I'm not really interested right here. Watch it. 97 is interest. 80 is not really. 80 only sparks my eye.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes, 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 yes.
You got it, my dear. So we're going to spark the eye on OPTT. We're going to 97 one shot it. Let's one shot at 97. I'll even maybe go 90, 95. Here it goes. I'll go 85. Let's go 85, 90, 90, and 95. Just like that. Get me down with OPT, down with OPTT. Mojo's down with the OPT, with the OPTT. Yo, yo, with the OPT and the OPTT. It's a shame. It's a shame. Down with OPP. Down with you and me. I don't know what that song is. Yo, yo with the OPT and the you and me, and the yo, yo me with the OPT. Gotta like that. So we got the 24-hour room working, folks. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Got some nice effects in that room. Could put some nice charts in. It's got certain limitations that this room doesn't have, but it's got some nice things. Like this, we're waiting for the hinds. But I don't think it's going to work, maybe. It's gone from too far down the road. Be patient. Anticipation. So it's got things like that, this room. It's got like, you know, things like good job. You know, things like that. Help. Does it need help? I don't know. Give it a roar. Dun, dun, dun. That's what we want. Give me your little ears. So we have MGNA at 13 cents, doing a little nothing. Already sold AMMJ on the rebound. I bought it here, sold it here. Thank you. That's done with that one. Taking it off. Delete. Sun Edison, I don't like any. Delete. And Monster Digital, I bought you here, I bought you here, and I sold you up here. Good job on Monster Digital. Off my screen. Smith & Wesson did the same thing. I bought you here, I bought you here, and I sold you there. Off with Smith & Wesson, delete. IDXG hasn't done anything. IMNP, I traded you. I bought you here, and I sold you here. Oh, that's a familiar pattern that's working there, folks. SYRX, I'm in it. I bought it here, I'm waiting for it to move. RNWK, I bought it here, and I sold it up here. Familiar pattern, right, folks? UV, I bought it here, now I'm gonna hopefully sell it up there. LABD, I bought it here, and I bought it here, and hopefully I'm gonna sell it up there. And Jivo, I bought it here, and that's it. Hopefully I'm going to sell it right back up here into the 40 range. That's all I'm looking for is right here. 40. Make a nice profit. And Kara, I bought it here. Here, look at Kara. I bought it here. I bought it here. Sold it here. Still in it up here. Oh, look at that pattern. Isn't it familiar? You better believe it. And those are the swings, very limited on the limited side. And that's pretty much it. Next week will be the first marijuana IPO on the New York Stock Exchange. Nice. They got all these guys popping up on like the internet and stuff. They got like on Facebook, they got like Dr. Bud, you know, because it's like legal everywhere now. So all these doctors are popping. Dr. Bud. Got to go see Dr. Bud.
Yes!
Love Dr. Bud. There he is. Look at the Disney cuts. 50. 50. 50. 51. Is this the 2-hour run? Let me show you. So at $7.03, Nugget the other day was the biggest piece of shit ass stock you can ever imagine. It went to $7.30. All of a sudden, it turned around and went to $9.18 in 2 hours. Watch. So Nugget right here was at, nope, day before. Right here, 7:30, and this was at 10:15. By 12:15, it was up $2. 7:30, 8:30, 9:30. And I said before, if UVXY doesn't turn around and in 2 hours make this kind of bar run up here like this, we're going to be done with UVXY. Why? Because we picked the market to be down 85 points and we're not up a ton of freaking cash. And UVXY is not up 10% and up $1.20 like it's down $1.20 every day. So this thing better get some mojo momomo, or Mojo is going to be kicking some UV butt. Got it? Let me show you what we traded today. Apple sold 109.97 to 110.04. Cara, crazy, 12.50. Love the Cara through 12. We traded 50 cents right there. Nvidia, 91.44. Traded it through 91. SRPT traded it through 40. Beautiful. SRPT right there. DCIX Heinz 21. Easy move right there. UVXY, this one halted. 24.49, 25 to 25.58, 27.50. We made money on the long side on those. Sino made 30 cents through 6, 5.74. Cara, we bought at 11.60s, 12.60. UVXY is ripping, stupid 6 stocks. Apple, we bought at 108.50. It's 110.50. Crazy ass stocks. Crazy. Cara, sequence to 11. OPTT, 450. IPRR, Initiative Industrial Properties, is the IPO that's coming out next week. You're going to be trading marijuana.
Yeah, baby.
Just like Cara. Just like Cara.
Yeah.
OPTT, 504. Does Mojo know how to pick them or what? OPTT for you and me. Yo, belong the UV and the OPTT for the you and me. Ooh, look at the money we're making in the Mojo room. Look at the OPTT making the sick move for the Mojo. Damn. People love the OPTT. Heinz City today. Today is a lot of damn ketchup. Had that ketchup, turned it into Russian dressing. That's what I had today for the lunch. Little Heinz Russian dressing. Heinz all day long. Heinz. Heinz. Mini Heinz, 450. Stocks now, $5. $5. Yeah, boy. Dude, am I the only one having fun? Am I the only one having fun here? Just me? Just me? Huh? SPSX, 12 bucks again. Can't give up on the Heinz. You said you were going to be who was going to tell me SPSX was the first stock, not the Heinz? Who was going to tell me the SPSX was the first stock in history not to touch 12 in Heinz? Who was going to say that? Anyone? Because I would have faced you. You know what positive expectancy is? You don't, right? Let me tell you. It's the main thing that I teach traders to build their business on. It's called positive expectancy. Who doesn't know what that is? Let me take a poll. I'm going to take a poll. Positive expectancy. Positive expectancy. And you're not going to have a baby. Yep, you know what it is, or no, you don't know what it is. And you're not going to have a baby. Oh, no, look at the nose, too.
No, no, no.
Another one.
For the last time, no.
2 people don't know what it is. They must be traders on the bottom. Let me look. I can't reveal their names. Oh, yeah. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. Ain't it a shame on you? Shame on you. Positive expectancy in this bet will not work one time in your whole life. In this bet, I'll bet you wake up, I'll bet you $1,000. You wake up tomorrow morning. I'll bet you $1,000. That's a bet based on positive expectancy. You follow? Who can give me another one? Who can give me another one? I bet every time I get out of the shower, my dog is licking my feet and the water off my foot. He loves to do that. I could bet he'll do that every single time. That's a bet based on positive expectancy that I can win every single time. Anybody have any others? Bets that you could make based on positive expectancy, a system of winning? Anybody? Anybody got anything? I bet I'll eat chocolate every day. I bet you will too. That's a good bet based on positive expectancy. I'll place that bet with you every single day. That's a good bet. If you are a chocolate beast, if you are allergic to chocolate, it's a shitty bet. I bet if I trade on my own every day, I'll lose. Okay. That's a shitty system. What I mean is a system like this. You see this pen? If I let go of it, will it drop to the table? It sure did. Wait, let me try that again. Let's make a bet. How much you want to bet if I let go of the pen, it'll drop to the table? You want to bet 1,000? I will. Watch. Pay me. Pay me. Okay? Look. 1197, 1198, 1199. It's going to go through 12. 1290, 95. It's going to go through 13. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anybody have any questions? One of the perks of being a trader on the MOJO team is you get to work out of your house. Okay, and this Heinz move right here, which we're gonna Heinz, gonna get some ketchup. LABD is moving for us. Really, really nice. LABD moving for us in the swing. Really, really nice. Here goes UV through 50. UV's through 50. SPX is going to 98, 99, 12 now. We're going to get a little mojo in the JoJo going on. So one of the perks, you know, for lunch, I had the missus make me a nice toast turkey sandwich with the Russian dressing, Heinz. Working out of the house, making the show, working with my traders, showing them how to make money, showing them how to run the business, showing them what not to trade. Like I said, I could have been a hero. So aggressive on DCIX. DRYS, we'd be halted in right now. Where's it going to open? What do you own it at? That's the big question. Where's it going to open at? 50-point spread. It's 74 bid by 110 ask. Where's it going to open? Who knows? Who knows if it'll ever open again? Are you going to be able to sleep? Being in a stock like this? Checking the message boards every 5 minutes? Checking stock twits? Checking invest feed? Checking Google? Basically freaking out? What are you going to do? What's going to happen? You could have bought Cino. It's still trading. Very light, though. They've already got you trapped. The trap's been set. It's like a bear trap. Your leg is caught. Your leg's right here. Caught in the trap. They got you in the trap, man. That's your leg. You're like, oh, I'm dying. Dying. Yeah, you're dying, all right. We hit this on the long side twice. Really scary. You see how it's moving now? Times the speed of this by 5,000. That's how it was moving earlier. Look at the volume bars. 1.7 million every 5 minutes. Now, 100,000 every 5 minutes. Gene alert with stem. Tag along 138 making a move on the Gene V-band. Look at that. Along with stem. Gene 150 move. Let me confirm with stem if it's above 167 from earlier. Down. I'm not touching it. See that? Mojo knows. 167 earlier. Look. Dude, I know every freaking price, dude. Look. It went up to 167 and failed in that bar. I was done. They all liked it at 167. Came out with news right here is when I poked an eye at it at 167 up here. It's when I liked OCUL right there. OCUL going through $8. OCUL. I should have gotten the OCUL through 8. Look, OCUL through 8. The stock's 9. Hasn't stopped on a rail grind. Look at that rail grind. Is this the sickest rail G you've ever seen? It's the sickest one I've ever seen. Look at that. Holy shkabizzle in the manizzle. That's for the freaking record books, man. Yo, is that the longest rail you've ever seen? Look at the freaking rail on that shit. Woo! Damn, boy. Damn, boy. TradeX is open for business, boy. TradeX, you get smaller trader between 2 and 5,000, 6-to-1 leverage, and you keep 100% of the profits. You want to see what the platform looks like? Check it out. Here's what the platform. Here's the level 2. Right here. Look. Here's the level 2 on UV compared to my level 2 on UV. Look. Let me show you. So you have right here, see? Same exact. See? 44 by 45. You market buy and you market sell. You set your shares to what you want to do. I would put it on mark. You know, it doesn't even matter. You just press market buy and market sell. That's it. I tell you to buy, you tap it. I tell you to sell, you sell it right there. That's all you got to do all day long. This is all you need. This is all you need. Charts and I tell you to buy it, click the button. I put in the announcement, tell you to sell it, click the freaking button. At the end of the day, look up at your profits. You'll be up between 1% to 5%. That's it. Right, guys? That's the platform. That's what you do. You don't need anything else. That's it. Got it? Done. So I'm building out, you're going to meet the team, the pro traders that have been with me for a long time, and pro traders like Alan has been with me for 5 years. Oh, yeah. Okay. Here's a new little look at the Mojo site. I've been seen on and been viewed on all these individual channels. I have a lot of people that are students signing up. I offer a military discount and a first responder. These are $49 memberships. I have some other great testimonials. My blog, I feel free for you to review. I've done some great blog posts. If you look over here, right here, I have options study in the money, technical analysis on moving averages and options right here. So if you click this, you'll come to the to this page right here. Or as a money on traders always ask me what's the difference between an in the money option and an out of the money option. And this is especially on covered call writing. And these are some really great things. And I go over this all in Mojo University, where you can get your edge. Okay, it's a really nice blog article right there. And on my Get Started page, you can meet Trader Lobster. Meet him, really great trader and been with me for a while. And these are the memberships that you can pick from Mojo Day Trading Services. You get the day trade room and the swing trade newsletter, and you get to be in the community all day long in the Mojo Day Trade room. So you get to be in here with us all day. Once you pass Mojo University, you become a pro trader. These are the traders that wind up being with me for a lifetime. And what I'm doing now is for these traders and myself and the team, we are building out who we are and our team, and being real proud of that, because the knowledge, experience, consulting, and professionalism, which what we do, is amazing. The Pro Trader team inspires, educates, and leads the stock market investors around the world since 2012. Our unique approach is highly sought after because we provide students and investors with the blueprint to start and grow a day trading business, not just providing advice on a single aspect of investing. The company is based on a fusion of intense passion and continuous education to inspire and be inspired. Our commitment to growth and self-improvement is the driving force behind our company. It's what the team is all about. We're entrepreneurial individuals who continually strive to improve the company, the room, the community, everything we do, our lives, the lives of others. We take pride in challenging ourselves and what we do with our students, inspiring changes that we wanted to make in themselves and for their families. It starts as a pro trader vision with work ethic and endless desire to improve your business, inspire everyone in the bootcamp community right here. Mike, Alan, Sash, and meet us all. It's going to grow and grow and grow. Thank you, everybody, for being part of that. That's awesome. Love that. Thanks. Right on the money. Dow's coming back a little bit, but UV's holding strong. Holding strong. That's pretty much it. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. You guys all keep it profitable. Peace. I'll see you all later. Thank you so much.
Well, yes.
Have a great day, everybody.